Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw documents and funds using MBS Highway, full guide step by step clearly. First, log into your MBS Highway account using your credentials. Navigate to the dashboard once you've successfully logged in. Locate the Documents section on the main menu. Click on the Documents tab to access your uploaded files. Review the list of documents available for withdrawal. Select the document you wish to withdraw by clicking on it. After selecting the document, look for the Withdraw button. Click on the Withdraw button to initiate the withdrawal process. You will see a pop-up window confirming your choice to withdraw. Review the withdrawal details in the pop-up window. If everything looks correct, confirm the withdrawal by clicking Yes or Confirm. Next, to withdraw funds, return to the main dashboard. Locate the Funds section on the menu. Click on the Funds tab to see your available balance. Check the available options for fund withdrawal. Select the option that best suits your needs, such as bank transfer or another method. Enter the required information in the withdrawal form. Double-check all entered information for accuracy. Submit your withdrawal request by clicking the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation message regarding your withdrawal request. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your document and fund withdrawal status. Make sure to follow any additional instructions provided by MBS Highway. Review your account regularly to ensure all transactions are processed correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.